Hey guys, Linda Vater here. Well, I confess, I am nothing if not a traditionalist when it comes to decorating the outside of my house and my gardens for the holidays. I don't think anything is more beautiful and more classic than evergreen wreaths suspended from red velvet ribbon hanging from your windows or maybe your French doors. But equally, if not more important, I love to flank my entryway with gorgeous evergreen hollies. They're just beautiful at the holidays, especially when you adorn these Oakland Hollies from the Southern Living Plant Collection with sugar pine cones, evergreens fresh from the garden, berries from your Nandina shrubs or from the holly itself. You can tuck more in for even more impact. I love the deep, rich evergreen color, the serration of the leaves. Classic, elegant, now for the holidays and into next spring. So if you want this same kind of classic beauty for your home, plant some Oakland Hollies from the Southern Living Plant Collection.